unacceptable.
Ah!
But we're going to get bathing suits.
Guys, we're going to Walmart to get bathing suits.
In a blizzard.
In a blizzard. Oh, wow.
Hey, Dash Cam.
Dash Cam.
What's up, YouTube? Happy Good Friday, y'alls. We're starting the day off, going to a Good Friday service at my parents' church with coffee in hand, of course. We were gonna go to Timmy's, but then there's a lineup, and then there's like this nice little cafe with no lineup right next to it, so.
I almost was tempted to yell at all the people in line at Tim's.
They just don't understand the quality,
Support
you know?
local!
They don't understand. It's the beginning of a crazy weekend, but it's gonna be fun, so.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, guys. Enjoy your family this weekend. I know we will. Segway, we got Kieran here. He's gonna try the horseradish challenge. We've just invented it. Uh-oh.
I think we might
swallow it.
How much did he take?
Oh, that's mean.
Okay, guys. Everything's set up for the Easter dinner. I just had to come in here because it's so loud outside. Okay, let's go look.
Emily, Emily, come here.
And then you know, seriously, people like where they make bags, right? Like bags for men. Everything's for men.
Is everybody looking at over there?
Oh, it's empty. That's disappointing.
It's like it'd make a great picture. It's kind of like a construction site. You have to get them in
What's done?
I think it's okay.
Is it?
Go, go, go. Yeah, I think it's gonna need the full time.
Yeah. Hey, come out, there's too much.
Oh, that's burning my hand.
Okay, here. We are still in darkness.
I'm not. So we have to.
Oh, she's good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's real good.
It's a new workout.
Oh, dang, girl.
Jump over.
With that foot, yeah. The other. There you go.
Oh, he's good. Hey, Chico.
Where Chico? I'm Chico.
Yeah.
Jeez, what happened to you?
What happened? You sing it.
Hey guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is Saturday here, and that man has an epic pipe.
Day 2 of Easter weekend family shenanigans.
Yes, now it is my family time. And we thought we would start off the Saturday with a nice coffee shop brekkie, even though we already had pancakes this morning at your family.
Well, you can never have enough sexy brew, right? Is that right?
That is true.
Am I right?
We have a little member to the Sexy Brew Crew. Jimmers.
Hey.
Can you see? Yeah, hey, that's
Jimmy!
That's my sister. She's the one that in the live chats, if she types anything, we just yell it. That's who she is. Hello!
Second breakfast. Look at that parfait. That's dirty parfait.
It's fantastic.
It looks amazing. And all the sexy brew you could ask for right here. What do you have, Jim? Brie?
French
French
berry,
toast.
French
That looks
toast.
amazing.
Everybody, we are playing food chain with my whole family.
Everyone should do their animal.
Check it out.
All at once. Go.
Ready? Do all your animals. Go. That was really good. That was good.
Leave a wolf. Wolf. Bop.
Nice. Bop.
Yeah. Bop. Bop. Yeah. Roar.
Rar.
Bop. Fish. Fish. Rar.
Rar. Blade of grass.
Blade of grass. Blade of grass.
Meow. Yeah. Woof. Woof. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Rar. Rar.
Work time. GoPro on a longboard. It's gonna be amazing.
And before it falls.
Look at this. Inception. Blunt. Easter egg hunt, child chaos.
What's this? Actually, this is right here.
Hey Ralph, did you see any Easter eggs?
Yes.
Look hard. Look around.
Good job. They found some more. Yay. What else, Danny? Oh, nice.
Look at that ham. Nice ham.
Kelly answered the lane. I'm like, I didn't hear it.
It's a good ham, Dad.
Lover. I brought mine.
Guys, look at it outside. Look at it. Look at this.
Sadness.
Oh my goodness.
We were skating like, what, an hour and a half ago?
Pretty much. And now we could pretty much sled.
We went from skateboarding to snowboarding.
In the same day. Not okay.
Jay, how are you?
Eat fish.
Fish rock.
Rar. Amoeba.
Eva.
You're gonna say, who are you impersonating?
We're impersonating Miranda Sings.
Miranda Sings, okay. And introduce yourself.
Just
This
to
is-
let you know, I'm the original one. She's the like supervisor.
Oh, okay, okay.
Miranda Sings #1.
This is Michaela.
The original.
Yeah.
And Emma. Okay, go.
Why are you here? This is my spotlight.
No one use a hint.
Yes, it ain't. This is not where I live, but I like being
I
here.
leave.
Yeah, no. Stop laughing. It's not funny. That's hurting my feelings.
Yeah, I'm throwing your feelings and go away. Because that's how.
No, because I'm strong. And I'm
You're
independent. I'm an independent woman.
You're not even a woman.
Yes, I am. Then what am
You're
I?
a little 2-year-old and you know it. You act like it and you know it.
I will put lipstick on your face if you get any closer.
You don't even have any lipstick on. Stop!
What laughing?
You just snorted
Stop.
on camera.
You have to get out. You know what? Get out.
Stop it.
Get out.
Kidding
You're
me?
laughing. Get out.
No.
I'm not kidding.
Get that camera away from me.
Seriously, you hit my camera with a snowball, you punk. Guys, we got a snow on Easter. Look at this.
Crushed it on my feet.
Snowball fight.
Ice cream.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
Oh, it's the
Oh, this is so great.
dots.
Oh.
Oh!
No.
dots.
Wait, you got her. Come on, Jim, get him.
Attack!
Did you get her in the face? Oh.
Walmart trip.
This.
Unacceptable.
Ah.
But we're going to get bathing suits.
Guys, we're going to Walmart to get bathing suits.
In a blizzard.
In a blizzard. Because my parents have a hot tub and we want to embrace that. This is crazy. I love you, Canada, right? Right? Yeah. Swimsuit. Success. And look, it kind of died down a bit, so praise the Lord.
good.
Okay.
Hot tub time. Hey guys. It's pretty dark. Wait, your hands are wet, so be careful.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Isn't it way too dark?
It is pretty dark. I don't know if you can see over there, but it's like, it's snow. It's snow.
Okay.
Wait.
Wrong way.
A bit of light.
There we go. There's a little bit of light.
Okay, I'm going for a walk. Do I have to go all the way around?
Tell them there's snow.
If you want to, Ralph, just go for a light drop.
Do it.
Okay.
Woo, you got it, you got it, you got it.
Oh yeah, go on the light.
Yeah. Go by the light.
Okay. Oh. Guys, it's freezing. Pokey ballsy. Whoa! There was a cat. There was a cat that like jumped out the side.
Get in,
Oh, my feet.
Don't drop your phone.
Don't drop it. Hang on to that.
I can't feel anything. Oh! There it is. I don't know if I should have this in here.
Snowball. Yeah, we should probably take it out because of the steam, right?
Duck.
that?
Easter bunny. Easter bunny.
Oh, neat. So, we're back at Ralph's place.
And there's always a ton.
Check out this Lego gun. Ah, that's so cool.
Oh, neat.
It just
It's like a.
Whoa,
Whoa, you almost shot me in the face.
They're firing.
That's so cool. Lego. Just keeps getting better.
Wait, yeah, this one.
But it's not this.
Oh! Oh, it's my turn again.
Oh, Ralph's got two.
Go.
Excuse me, I'm trying to move. It's gonna pop, it's gonna pop.
1, 2,
If she doesn't.
1.
And if she doesn't, guys, it's got like a spinal cord. It's got,
man.
guys, it's punchy.
You got this, Amy.
She thinks she can get away with that. Put my ears.
They were almost all touching. Oh, I wonder if
Could someone plug my ears?
It popped.
That's fun.
That's fun. Hey guys, what's up? Ralph and Luke coming at you from the car on our way back to home. Yeah, it was a good weekend with family. It was fun.
A really nice time. And having a car was really great too.
Good
It had its
decision.
ups and downs, but
We got a lot
overall,
done.
yeah, overall it was really nice just to have the freedom of driving around.
Yeah, we saw my grandma. We went to my parents' place and hung out with my whole family. Then we went to Lou's place and hung out with her whole family. And then we were back just briefly at my parents' today, and now we're heading home. So we got a lot done in a short time. It was really nice. But yeah,
It was a good trip.
hope you guys had a wonderful Easter weekend. Spent some time with family, and yeah, just had a good time. We had a great time.
And hope that you didn't get snow, okay?
Yes, because that sucks.
Anyway, we will see you guys tomorrow.
Yep.
Thanks for watching the weekend vlog.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, if you like any of our videos, we would love it if you'd share it with your friends.
I mean, if you want to.
If you want to.
Share the love.
Thanks, guys. Love you. See you later. Peace. Bye. Oh, and the regular end slate is back. You guys were saying, commenting under our last vlog, saying, "Where's the end slate? Where's the dancing guy? Where's we just be chilling?" Well, guess what, folks? It's back.
So here it is.
Peace.
Chico.
We just be chillin'.